The change-a-blade is a safety scalpel handle that helps prevent injuries during the passing of sharps. A protective safety shield locks into position to prevent injuries during passing. The surgeon can use their blade of choice and change the blade as many times as they wish during a procedure. The change-a-blade handle is available in a variety of sizes. Sharps injuries occur frequently in the surgical setting, most often when passing instruments. These injuries expose healthcare workers to unnecessary risk and are costly to treat. Use of change-a-blade helps meet the OSHA bloodborne pathogen standard and the AORN guidelines for the use of sharps with engineered sharps injury protections. To load the scalpel blade, first remove the timeout sleeve. Disengage the safety shield by pressing the button down and sliding it back. Load the surgeon's blade of choice onto the scalpel handle using the facility's approved method. Once the blade is securely loaded, slide the button forward until the safety shield locks into place. The protective safety shield locks into position to prevent injuries during passing. After use, re-engage the safety shield prior to passing the change-a-blade. Push the button forward until it clicks, and the safety shield completely covers the blade. To unload the scalpel blade, disengage the safety shield. Press the button and slide the safety shield back. Safely unload the blade using your facility's approved method. Use the change-a-blade with as many blades as are required for the procedure. At the end of the procedure, dispose of the change-a-blade according to your facility's protocol. The change-a-blade features easy one-handed activation and can be used by right or left-handed users. Change-a-blade is the same weight as a traditional scalpel handle. It offers an unobstructed line of vision to the surgical site and the same ability to puncture as a traditional scalpel handle and blade. Change-a-blade is disposable and latex-free. Reduce the risk of sharps injuries with the change-a-blade safety scalpel handle. For more information or to place an order, contact our customer service team at 866-764-3327.